You know Glascock Equipment sells and services new and used farm and construction equipment. But did you know Glascock also carries new and used lawn and garden equipment? From gas and battery-powered steel chainsaws, trimmers, edgers, and blowers, to reliable grasshopper zero-turn mowers, Glascock Equipment maintains the same rock-solid reputation for customer care in its lawn and garden equipment as it does for its heavy equipment lines. Glascock carries in-stock products ready to take home today, and the trained and certified small engine service department offers pickup and delivery. Check out Glascock Equipment at gesales.com and establish a relationship you can trust for your lawn and garden equipment needs.